In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily share an Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. Sharing your Instagram story to WhatsApp status allows you to reach a wider audience and keep your friends and family updated on what you're up to. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the plus button at the bottom center. Then tap Story. And then create your story. You can shoot a video or a photo right now, or select one from the camera roll. Customize the story as you normally would. Then tap Share. Once you've posted your story, tap on the Your Story option at the top left. Then tap More. And then tap Send. Then tap WhatsApp. It will open up WhatsApp and show you the Send to menu. Tap and select My Status option. Then tap Next. Now you'll see the link to your story. Tap Send, and it will share your Instagram story to your WhatsApp status. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.